How to join a community on Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, go to the home page or use the search bar at the top to look for communities or topics that interest you. You can explore trending communities, popular anime clubs, gaming groups, or other interest-based communities. After finding a community you like, open its page. Here you will see an option to join or follow the community. Tap on it to become a member. By joining, you will gain access to discussions, posts, updates, and events from the community members. You can interact with other fans, comment on posts, share your thoughts, and stay updated with all community activities. Now you know how to join a community on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.